Nissan Titan SV audit, a diligent work pickup truck. This, my companions, is a truck. Little taxicab, long box, material seats, V8, thick elastic floor mats. What more do you require? Nothing, I say. Read more. http://autoweek.com/article/auto audit/2017 Nissan Titan SV survey WORKMANS-PICKUP-TRUCK-IXZZ54PVQOCJ. The long box customary taxicab Nissan Titan SV looks somewhat odd. We are so used to seeing Uber taxi, short box extravagance occupations, that when a genuine pickup comes to play, it watches strange. However, I'm still of the mind that you don't get a truck unless you will work with it. However, I might be in a contracting minority. I tossed a standard estimate front entryway, a manure spreader, and penetrate press aimlessly in the bed. It has a liner, and I just filled 10% of this thing. I like Nissan's delicate closed back end, as well. My old truck, 1984 Def 150, logging version, back end debilitated to sever the guard each time I opened it, and let it pummel down. The activity on the handle is super smooth, as well. You don't need to yank from one side, at that point the other, and after that hit it with PB Blaster. The Titan's general taxi inside is impeccable, adequate with medium comfortable material seats. I'd accept they'd soften up a little screen radio with a USB port and a Goliath crease down focus support to store your stuff. That'll motivate you to work and back, and you won't stress over scraping chrome or wood grain. The V8 and 7-speed program transmission blend functions admirably. There's no jerkiness when moving, and control is abundant. It'll turn the tires in the rain and jump around a bit while quickening through corners, yet that is only a pickup truck trademark. The brakes have a pleasant dynamic mechanical feel. This Titan likewise rides like a pickup. It's bouncy and, similar to I stated, so there is some wheel hop. In any case, those white, tall tires will blow through any pothole, even the tremendous ones that show up after winter in northern states.